This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Pixel off, removing the SIM tray and case so you can access the port. Once done, visually inspect the charging hole with a magnifier and blow compressed air in short bursts to eject loose lint. If debris remains, gently tease it out with a wooden toothpick, never metal, because you want to avoid bending or shorting the pins. Make sure the charger and cable are known good so you're not diagnosing the wrong problem. Next, deep clean by touching a moistened cotton swab to the port edges and inner lip. Capillary action pulls grime out without flooding the connector. If a pin looks bent, stabilize the phone and nudge the pin with a wooden toothpick or plastic spudger. Tiny, deliberate movements prevent breaks. Keep short pauses to let alcohol evaporate, and always test with a known good cable between attempts. If the port is loose, feel for wiggle. That indicates mechanical, where that cleaning won't fix. Now reassemble, insert the SIM and power the Pixel back on, plug in a verified cable and watch the charging indicator. If it charges, you're done. If not, boot to safe mode to rule out app-caused charging issues and test again. Should the port still fail or the connector feel loose, the issue is likely mechanical or solder-related. You'll need a charging port assembly replacement or a professional repair. One tip: if you see intermittent charging, avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.